Click on the link below to get price. The DuroMax Gas Powered Portable 12,000 watt generator is a powerhouse that combines reliability with convenience, making it an ideal choice for home backup and RV use. Its robust design ensures that it can handle a variety of applications, from powering essential appliances during an outage to providing energy for your RV adventures. One of the standout features of this generator is its electric start capability. This user-friendly feature eliminates the hassle of pull starts, allowing for quick and effortless ignition with the turn of a key. The generator's powerful 459 cubic centimeters engine delivers a peak output of 12,000 watts, making it capable of running multiple appliances simultaneously. Whether you need to power your refrigerator, lights, and heating equipment during an emergency or run air conditioning in your RV, this generator has the capacity to handle your needs. Another significant advantage is its portability. The generator is equipped with heavy-duty wheels and a foldable handle, making it easy to transport to various locations. This portability is particularly beneficial for RV users who may need to move the generator for setup at campsites or while on the road. The DuroMax also features a dual fuel capability, allowing it to operate on both gasoline and propane. This flexibility is a game-changer, especially in remote areas where fuel options may be limited. Switching between fuel types can enhance convenience and efficiency based on availability and personal preference. In terms of safety, the generator includes a variety of protective features, such as an automatic low-oil shutoff and overload protection, ensuring safe operation. The sturdy construction and quality materials add to its durability, making it a long-lasting investment. Overall, the DuroMax gas-powered portable 12,000 watt generator is an excellent addition to any home or RV setup. Its powerful performance, ease of use, and portability make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to ensure their energy needs are met, whether at home or on the go.